So hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. So as the trend is going on, dame kom mane bhalo kakuli furniture. So I have thought that I will make a furniture out of papers which is very cheap. So today I am gonna show you how to make a beautiful, easy, simple DIY chair with the help of a single sheet of paper. So you have heard that right. I have to make a piece of chair with a paper. So let's start. So first of all I will take a paper just like this. I have taken it from a diary. You can take any type of paper. So now fold it half from the middle. As you can see, I am folding it half from the middle part. So you have to fold it from the half. So fold it half. Now again from this side you have to fold 1/3 like this. Now pressure the edges. Same thing do for this half also. So now fold it like this. Done. Now open the flaps. So I have opened the flaps. Now you have to open this part. See, this part you have to open and you have to make a fold from here like this and apply pressure on the edges to make a crease line. So one of the part is done. Now for the second part, do this again on the same side or the other side. Done. Now you have to think that you have to fold it like this to the upside. Now you have to see one thing. See, this is extra. This part is extra, na? So you have to cut this part. So I will be taking my X-Acto knife. So I have to cut it from this side, this part. So let's cut it. So I have removed the part. Now you have to turn it over and you have to fold it down. Now you have to notice the point where this part ends. So this is the line where it ends. So you have to cut it from this line. So I will be using my ruler for that. Now cut it. Looks like. Now we have to fold it this side. This flap you have to close like this. Again. Now again fold it from this side. Make a crease line here. So your chair is ready. Who will say this is a chair? So let me show you. This is a chair. How? Now you have to open. You have to pull this part. Yes, of course you have to pull this part. Pull this. Oh yes. Now it's chair. So let me show you. Here this is a chair. So guys, it's ready. The chair out of waste which is cheap. So guys, dame kom mane bhalo kakuli furniture. Yes, subscribe to my channel if you like the video.